What's going on, ladies and gents? You're watching Emeroy TV, the place to move, groove, and grow. And today is Biz Tuesday. So if it's your first time hopping onto this channel, welcome. I appreciate you guys checking out the video. And if you're a returner, welcome back. Hope you guys are enjoying the new setup and the new location of where I'm doing all the filming. Today is a video for super beginners on how to set up your Facebook page on your mobile phone. Now I'm going to be showing you guys how to create your Facebook page on your mobile device. Obviously, most of the attention, if you had watched the previous video, most of the attention of a lot of people is on the mobile device, whether you're on, whether you're waiting at a bus stop, in line at a McDonald's or In-N-Out, or just on the toilet. People are most likely consuming a lot of the content on here, so it only makes sense to, why not set up your Facebook page here? So let's head on to your Facebook page. Okay, I'm actually ahead of this, a step ahead here. You're going to click on this little hamburger right there. Scroll down to where it says Pages. I don't know if you guys are going to be seeing it, but this is because I manage a lot of pages. You're going to go to Create, boom, Get Started. Name of your page, same deal as before. Test 2, I'm going to be deleting this as well. I want to use this page to sell products or provide services, if that's going to be you. Like say you are an e-commerce store or you have a health product, that would probably make sense. If you have the intent of selling in general, it just makes sense to have that. So I'm just going to put that on. So boom. All right, I'm just going to put brands and products, and going with the e-commerce store. I had a e-commerce electronics store I ran as a test, didn't really pan out too well, but I'm just going to go based off that. Boom, next, and I think it'll automatically create. Oh, if you have a website. See, this is a little bit more detailed. It goes step by step, which is what I like. It used to do that on the Facebook. It used to do that on desktop. It's changed a lot. So I'm just gonna put test.com. Oh, you can skip. You can skip. Add profile picture, skipping that. Cover photo, skipping that. Pretty much walks you through everything that I showed you on the desktop version. There you go. You got your Facebook page. I didn't obviously add any of the photos, but it's pretty self-explanatory for all these steps. There's a lot of info missing that we didn't get to cover. What I like about this is that it has a checklist for you guys to use. So add cover photo. Let's just add me and my son as a cover photo. Boom. That actually looks pretty good. Okay, profile picture, invite friends to like my page. I'm not about to spam my friends with this. Publish my first post. This is my first post. So it pretty much walks you through everything that you need to do. So I'll cover in a different video the different types of posts you can share, because there's so freaking much that you can do with Facebook nowadays. It's kind of like crazy, but if you can figure out a strategy around how you use even like 5 or 6 of them, that'd be great. So I'm just gonna do a classic first text post. Boom, share now. This is where it's getting weird. Okay, so I head on over here, about, edit page info, and this is where a good amount of the information that was covered on the desktop you can write here. There's a lot of things that are missing, like the impressum, the mission. That, I think that stuff is where you have to edit it on desktop, but here it's just enough for you to get everything started. So your business hours. If you have any, you can edit the team. If you're an organization, it's not just you. You have like a social media manager, a video editor, and all that stuff. So you can add your role. Here's where you can add your description. Again, kind of leveraging the keywords of how I set it up in the beginning. Saved, and then if you want to continue editing some stuff, right here to the right where it says Edit Page. You can change the page header, which is like the images. The buttons is where is this area right here, what people will see where it says Send Message. You can change your button. Instead of Send Message, you can choose a different button to either call you now if you are a service, or if you're someone who's more a client-based business, if you want to set up an appointment, you can link it to your Google Calendar or whatever else you use for scheduling. You can have them send you an email, or if you have an app, you can have them install the app directly from that button. So it's a pretty useful piece of real estate right here for that. So, and again, to get their edit page, buttons, and change it up. You can change the tabs, which is the different things you can see on this end right here. So tabs, you can see the posts, the reviews people leave, the videos, photos, your groups. You can add some other stuff, events, if you have any events coming up. You can edit the order of things that you want to see when you end up on the main page. So the tabs are pretty much, so say let's remove this, let's say we'll go back and it just saves. Okay, it's what people will see when they go to your page. So for example, let's actually take a look at this. The tabs are pretty much the main things people will see the minute they land on your page. So we just swapped out the posts and make sure the events are on top. People are definitely going to see that right here. You see that where it says events? I'm not sure if you can see that right there. It's going to show that first for people to see. So the Facebook page, this whole setup is pretty much like a mini website. You can guide people to the most important items that you want them to go to, and you can just remove things that you don't think are essential. So that's what the tabs are. Settings, that's where you can connect other people to be, if you click over here, to add people as your admin, or if you want to connect your Instagram to this, go to Instagram ads, input their information for your Instagram and add account. Community and groups, same thing as I mentioned in the previous video, which is the groups that you have linked to this page. That's it for setting up your Facebook page on your mobile phone. It's pretty easy, pretty straightforward. It pretty much walks you step by step in everything that you need to fill out. Setting up your Facebook page either on desktop or on mobile is pretty straightforward. On the next video, we're going to be covering how to optimize your Facebook page so it looks on brand, it really captures the attention, and it doesn't look like someone just randomly, put this together like these terrible examples that I shared with you guys. So catch you guys in the next video.